Most Android phones will have some type of simplified mode, which makes using the phone easier for people that aren't very tech-savvy. How it works and what it looks like depends on the phone you have. I have a Samsung Galaxy, and I'll show you how Samsung handles this. If I go to Settings and then Display, I can scroll down and find a menu for Samsung's Easy Mode here. This will make text and icons on the screen a lot bigger. It increases the delay for any gestures that are based on tapping and holding the screen, and it also increases the contrast of my display to make text easier to read. Usually these type of easy modes are optimized for senior users. They make the phone easier to read and see, and declutter the visuals so everything becomes easier to navigate. When I turn on easy mode, you'll instantly see how my phone looks visually different with the big, bold font. There's a few settings that I can customize, like adjust the touch and hold delay and turn off the high contrast keyboard if needed. You'll see both my home screen and app drawer have a new look where the app icons are a lot bigger. I don't struggle with vision, but I gotta say this actually looks pretty nice and clean. In any app where the keyboard is involved, you'll see how the keyboard has switched to a high contrast black and yellow look. Like I said, the exact mode and the options you have will depend on the phone model and Android version you're using. Here's a couple of examples outside of Samsung. Some phones will have a similar simplified mode, and on some phones you could manually create something by changing things like font size, magnification, etc. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this one.